All right. Yeah. Okay. So I just got home from work 15 minutes ago. Market is already open because of the daylight time shift. 1.5 weeks, and then the time will be back to normal again. Then I'll be home if I did not go to the gym, and then I'll have like another hour before the market opens. But yeah, just got home. Haven't opened the chart yet. Gonna open it right now. Do my bias. Not really for the week, just for today, and then maybe also simultaneously for the week as well. But yeah, I haven't taken any trades so far, of course. So gonna open it now, and then I want to bring you guys along, like what I look for and stuff. And then I think this will be so fun to watch in the future, like all this building up towards the payout, of course, that I'm eventually gonna get. Um, okay, so what am I opening? What do I have? I have my main charts here. So these two charts, NQ and ES. I mark out the 930 open with the vertical line, so I know, okay, 930 open from there. After that line, that's everything what happened in the New York session. Then I have my MNQ chart opening as well on the side. So I have 3 tabs opening when I click on Trading View. And then on here, I'm trading MNQ, NQ, but then the MNQ contract. I'm looking at the NQ chart, but trading the MNQ contract. And on here, I'll log in with 9 out of 10 times the paper trading account. And then I'll look with this. I'll put my stop loss on this. And then I'll look, okay, create limit order, 1 unit, 1 contract. Let's say I do 4 contracts. How big my stop loss? How big is my stop loss going to be? Okay, 4 contracts. I want to risk $500. Okay, then I need to enter with 4 contracts. That's what I do and how I calculate it. I think it's pretty easy to do so. And yeah, I have this on the side then. I'll put this here on the side. And then, of course, my main chart. And before I do my analysis, let me go to my browser, open up Tradeovate 2 times because I have one fund account with Lucid. I have to log in with Lucid on here. So this is Lucid, my Lucid fund account. All right, here, still fresh. Positions are on here. Then I have my fund of futures accounts where I have the other 4 fund accounts. And it should still say four of them, or show 4 of them. Yeah, so there. And my positions, of course, I haven't opened the position yet, so nothing really happened. And then put this on my side monitor as well, so you can put that on there. And then now, okay, let me do my analysis. So what am I looking for today? Higher time frame, where are we going? So I already know a bit, of course, because day in, day out, we're still trading the same chart. We're still in a like big consolidation, but what did we really do? We did take a clean weekly low here on NQ, did not on ES. Last week I was pretty bullish. But nothing really happened, and I was saying, okay, maybe we could get a reaction while we are still consolidating in this gap. But then we just dropped lower. And I was looking at the 2 hour here as a market make model. And then this low, I was saying, okay, this low, if we take this, could be a reversal. I was still looking at this because it was Friday, yeah. But I thought, okay, we were trading too much through it, so probably it's going to be a low now. But I do see, like, we did get the reaction, which is crazy. So we did take the low on both. So it's basically a purge and revert on this as well because ES took it here. But now we're moving higher again. While we were still in this gap then, we closed below it, but then I don't know what we did here, deep retracement. But the big moves, I have that written down somewhere in my journal. Big moves often have big retracements, so this maybe could be one, I don't know. But it looks pretty bullish to me. It looks pretty nice towards 4 higher. And looking in this here, what do we disrespect? I see a singular 30-minute here. Let me mark this out. So we already closed above this, so this is totally disrespected. What's going to be first next start if we disrespect this high? So that's already drawn liquidity for me. And yes, the same thing. So I think that looks pretty good for bullish as well. See singular 1 hour on here. Yeah. All right, so here's same thing. Then Friday's high, that's going to be a nice target. So I'm already looking for longs towards there. Buy side, and then if you want to continue higher, I said higher time frame is even more bullish, of course. We also had these clean highs that I marked out for last week actually, so that could be a drawn liquidity. But if we want to go here, where are we going to go to first? This high, and then these are the first targets. So I'm pretty bullish for today. And then zooming in, what do we do? 9:30 open. Already traded lower into a gap. Hopefully I didn't miss anything, man. That would suck. Trading lower. Multiple gaps here. 50-minute. Took some lows here. We're still not too convinced. Like this could be a retracement now and then pushing all the way higher, but I'd rather wait a bit. We did take these clean lows, but I'd rather wait a bit until we get a bit more manipulation. We only have medium impact news today, jump speaking actually, so that could be something, even though it's medium. You never know with Trump, man. Yeah, we have that at a 11:30, but I'm still waiting. This is my draw on liquidity. We did trade lower into these gaps. Nice 50 minute. That was a nice retracement. There's no really singular gap for me. There is one here, but the closure, we already took out the high with that, or we did not, but still, like, this is the closure. I'm not entering on that. But what do I want to see? Actually, I'm still not convinced it's going to go all the way higher. I'm not too convinced with this low, even though it looks like a just easy, simple trend. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. But I rather want to see a bit more of manipulation. So kind of close to this low, maybe take out that low, maybe even go lower a bit, create a bit more structure, and then look for higher. I'm very bullish, but yeah, I don't see anything really. I see now that my camera looks like I'm bluish here. It does look a bit more. Yeah, I'd say that's how it looks here. Does it look blue in here? No, not really, but my camera's a bit weird. Maybe I can adjust that. Of course, keep my eyes on the chart. But I don't really see anything special happening. Effect filters, man. But yeah, today I wanna. Oh, this might be. Today I wanna just record what I do just record the entire session today. Just want to share like my thought process as well. I think today is gonna be a bit more interesting price action. Like I could do that I could have done that for last Friday as well, but last Friday the price action was terrible. So that's not really that interesting. And I was already planning on, or it already looked like I wasn't going to take a trade. So I can adjust this a tiny bit, but this really doesn't look so good. But yeah, so this is probably going to be a boring video. You won't get any dopamine hits here and there. There's not going to be anything too special. Only if I take a trade, of course, but that is just how trading is. It's not exciting. It's not, it could be exciting, of course, once you're in trade, but overall, 90%, 99% of the time, it's not exciting at all. And it should not be, I think. Yeah, so yeah, my audience isn't hopefully 12-year-olds. Of course, could be if you're really serious with trading, but it's not like the dopamine hits here and there. It's just very boring. I'm looking here on my side monitor, but you could look at it here as well. I don't know if this really is oh, green, blue. Oh. Oh. I don't know what this really does. Gamma. Thought this could remove the color, but I guess not. Yeah, I don't know. Just waiting, yeah. It's gonna be a lot of times. It's gonna be pretty silent because yeah, what do you do with trading? I don't try to be as much looking at my side monitor or have anything on my side monitor because that will just be a distraction. But yeah, it will just be me chilling, looking at the charts. Here and there, I'll check my phone for like messages or something, but I'm not gonna play a game while trading or anything like that. I've learned from that. I've done it before. I've missed some trades because of it. Maybe missed losing trades because of it as well, but definitely missed some winning trades as well. So just yeah, like trading day today, we have medium impact news, so I'm only going to be trading the AM session, not the PM session. If we had high impact news, then I was going to trade PM session as well, but my data shows On these days, I could better only trade the AM session. But the trading day is only like going to be like 2.5 hours. 2.5 hours looking at the charts. If that could be a working day, then wow, that's insane, right? But if your working day is 2.5 hours, but you don't do anything, or you're not working, you're doing all the other stuff but trading, then it's not gonna be great. Well, so yeah. So I see now it's 9:56. In 4 minutes, the 4-hour candle is gonna open. So you can see here, 3 minutes and 30 seconds to close. And a 4-hour candle, if you look at previous candles, 10 a.m., 14 p.m., 2 p.m., 10, 14. Most of the times, 90% of the times, the big moves, because 10 a.m. and 2 p.m., those 4-hour candles combined are 8 hours. That's basically the New York session. New York session is 90% of the times the biggest move of the day. If you're trying to catch the move of the day or just a candle, then the 4-hour, what is it going to do? It's going to open. This is the opening of the candle. It's going to, if you are bullish, then trade a bit lower. So have some sort of manipulation, maybe take some liquidity out, and then it's going to trade higher. And then let's say we have a closure of the 4-hour candle here. Then basically the opening is here. The closure is here. And then let me try to make it a bit cleaner. So like here, opening is there. The closure is here. And what do you see here? This thing. Okay, I have bullish candles. My bullish candles are red. But this here, this is then basically a opening, manipulation lower, higher, wick here, and then a closure. So what is this? Boom, until here, this low here. Boom, to the high here. This is just a bullish candle. So you're trying to, you could do it. That could be one strategy. If this is a bullish candle, you're trying to place yourself inside of this low here. Like the best trades occur in here, and then you're trying to ride this move, and then this, like something in here, this will take the liquidity on here, and then the closure will be here. But then, yeah, this is what I'm trying to catch. I'm not always, of course, trying to catch the entire move, but the thing I'm saying is okay, 1 minute and 30 seconds, then this candle's going to close, the 4-hour candle will open, we'll have some sort of manipulation in here, and then we're going to trade higher. And then that's will basically, again, the wick, and then the bullish candle in here. So a move is probably going to happen in the next couple minutes, of course, which is, it's already doing, of course, the 6 a.m. candle here. But so if I look at that idea, okay, some sort of manipulation, where could that be? Yeah, we could take the low, but that would be a big wick, of course. But that probably would be inside of here, but that wouldn't be a trade for me, because I'm always looking for an internal manipulation as well. So we take some sort of liquidity again. So here, and then we're getting the move higher. But yeah, if we are just retracing in this 1 minute gap here or there, then that's just not enough for me. So I'm then patient, and if the move goes, then the move goes. Like, that's not a trade for me then. Yeah, I did already explain my strategy as well, so yeah, really nothing else to tell anymore. Yeah. Hopefully you guys had a great weekend, if people are actually watching this. And if you're watching this in the future, I don't know what day you're watching this, but hopefully you had a good day, or you're about to have a good day. Thank you for being here. If I watch this myself in the future, which I probably will someday, then hello future me, and hello hopefully profitable me. What am I saying? Okay, here. So this is 10 a.m. This is 10 a.m. candle. 10 a.m. candle open, and then also simultaneously the 4-hour candle open. So if you want to go trade higher, then looks like a bearish candle now, but then we would create a wick and then go higher. That would be nice. But as I said, like, I see now here as well a trend line, so that low looks good as well for it to be taken. But I still could see it go towards, I don't know, maybe even this low, and then maybe a bit of consolidation, and then this will probably be close to like 11:30 or something. But you never know. We'll wait. It's also a big candle. Was it news at 10? We had Trump speak. No, okay, you have Trump speak at 11:30, but pretty. I don't know where the push really came from. Maybe we had some low impact news, a yellow folder, but I don't have that, or I have it filtered to where it doesn't show the yellow folders. Yeah, we did. So we had NAHB Housing Market Index. Yeah, nothing too crazy. Yeah, kind of wait. As I said, I see some sort of trend line here. Like a manipulation in here would be nice. But then I also don't really see it take out this trend line and then from there go higher. Like I would then also want to see this low maybe. But I would wait now. I'm just an observer of the market, as Justin Werlein says, who is just a big scammer, it turns out. But I do like the saying, we are just a observer. Of the market. Or we are, I am. Hey, already you can see, I was checking a WhatsApp message and already couldn't finish my sentence. Could turn on some music as well, but I'd rather have it like this. Just quiet and boring, how trading should be. Let me check if I can actually show my, where is it? My trade of a chart. Let me add that in here. At source, a window capture, and then select the window capture. It's gonna be Brave. No, that's the wrong one. Brave. Capture cursor. Oh, my girlfriend is calling. Okay. All right, BRB. I guess I'll mute my mic. All right, something to do with a flight booking that we're about to do. We're going to Indonesia, but a lot of stuff with the war of course, in the Middle East. So we were looking at, before we were looking at flights with like Emirates, Qatar, and then you would fly towards Dubai, but you don't want to be in Dubai right now. You never know. Like it's right now, it's okay, but you never know once you get once you're actually flying there. You don't know if it gets worse. Like we're flying in September, so you don't know if it gets worse and stuff. So better safe than sorry. And we're booking with we're flying with KLM right now, which is a um, Dutch what's it called? A airliner. All right, I think this is nice to look at. You can see my chart now. It's annoying that you can't really see the bottom right, but I think it's okay. Just yes. It's not really a huge thing. All right. Yeah, so we're creating even more liquidity in my eyes. So I really hope we don't instantly push higher, but because that, yeah, there wouldn't be any entry for me then. um, yeah, but of course, if you want to do that, then that's totally fine. Still, I would like to see manipulation. Yeah, you can see my trade away now, which is nice. MHMNQH for accounts copy trade here, and I realized I did not take any trades yet on the Lucid, but that's fine because like you have a 30-day inactivity rule. It's not as big as a problem compared to my fund of futures. Then you have to take every 7 trading days a trade, or 7 calendars. Every 7 calendars you have to take a trade. And with Lucid, it's just every 30 days. So, yeah. But yeah, the thing is, what I have to do is, I have 2 tabs open here. Trade08. This is, you can see it here, Lucid. It's very small. I don't know if you already can see it. And this is my fund of futures. If I'm taking 4 contracts, for example, or let's say 2 contracts, then I have to write in here 2 contracts times 4. So I have to write in 8 contracts here, and then 2 contracts here because it's just a single account. So that's going to be, yeah, honestly, a challenge. It's not a huge deal, of course, but like it is something to think about. So we're still pushing higher. I don't have any FOMO. I don't want to chase price action at all. Even though there's a pretty likely chance that we could go higher. Pretty likely chance, pretty good chance. Okay, yeah. But yeah, I'm not convinced. It's not my entry model. I don't want to take a trade. In the long term, this is going to be it. This is how trading should be. I'm very convinced of it. Oh shit. My mic is very sensitive with not my mic, but the cable that's in my mic. It's very sensitive. If I touch it, sometimes when I touch it, like just slightly, the mic dies. The mic stops working. I hope the sound and all is also good. Still slowly pushing higher. I see concepts. I don't really look at it this way many times. Oh, here 2 minutes with this is disrespected, and this 1 minute still holding. It's not how I trade, but first represented for value gap. Line's already open. Where is it? It's here. 930 gap is respected. Do we have something in here? No, not really. Non-SMT, no manipulation. But it is still holding. We're still moving away from this. Really looks like we're trending towards the high up here, but already really the trendline traders here are they are in the market, because I see 1 tap, 2 tap, 3 taps. I think it's 3 taps enter. I don't know. There are many strategies, of course, with that. Change in sale delivery. I don't know, man. There are many things to enter off of. I'm convinced every strategy could work, only if you're consistent with it. You have a plan around it. Yeah, I think every strategy could work. And I'm looking at, where's this thing? Oh, here it is. There. Yeah. 90 taps here. Missing anything? No. Yeah, so my plan is going to be risk $200 per trade. That's going to be like, depends on the stop loss size, of course, but I can open my fund of futures here, or my fund of futures, the micro chart on here. And then what I'll do, I explained it already, but let's say, here, change in the state with this high. Let's say I wanted to enter on this. I want to risk $200 per account. Then I would go here and then do it like so. This is very annoying. I'm not going to risk more than 200. So let's say right now it's 190. But let's say it was, let's say this was $201. Okay, $201. I'm not going to do it. I'm going to risk 2 contracts then. And then that would be like 100, maybe a lot less, like $120. I'll risk that. So now we're getting a nice candle lower. But this is annoying. TradingView keeps changing this. Like before, I could just do it like so. Oh, says 6 contracts. What is it going to be if I do 5 contracts? Now look, it expands. Like that's so annoying. And I thought you could enable it with this or disable it with this, but it's enabled now, and I have no idea what to where you can change that. That's so annoying. TradingView keeps changing it. It's so annoying, so annoying. If I didn't say it already, it's so annoying. But yeah, I disabled this. I have no idea what this actually does. Stop loss enables quantity and risk. So I don't know if you disable that, that will change anything. No, it won't. But yeah, headache, man, headache. This paper trading as well. I don't know if it's in here or something. Yeah, I don't know, man. I hate it when they do things, when they change things. No one is asking for it. Quantity, stop loss enables quantity and risk. What if I enable this? Well, what happens? Maybe that's something to do with this thing. Sync globally. Sync in layout. Visual order. If someone knows and could tell me, maybe even a year later, then I would love to hear it. If I didn't find out by then. By then. What am I saying, bro? What? If I didn't find out by then, I'm so bad with doing things simultaneously. What is this? TP price offset, TP PL. Oh, these are this info, yeah. Compacts, always show stats, yeah. Yeah, so if I want to create an order now, it's going to be different. Like I have to do it like so. This also won't change it. Before it was just this and it stayed at the same position. Oh well. I don't know, man. If someone could tell me, please, please. Okay, still just pushing higher, tiny bit. So far, I'm not a huge fan of the price action. Let's see the 4-hour candle's looking like. So 4-hour candle, if we are bullish, this is the wick as manipulation. Even though I don't see any sort of manipulation here. Not even at this low, there's no SMT. There's nothing. I don't see any sort of manipulation. But yeah, a manipulation as well could be micro. Like it could be very zoomed in, of course. Like any sort of retracement is a form of manipulation because there's like there are micro stop losses under there, like there are clean lows and clean highs, all in here, of course. But I don't see it because I'm on this big of a time frame. It's not big, of course, but like if I could go to the second chart, which I don't have, then you could see that. I don't think I have tops up X anymore. Otherwise, you could see it on there. I don't think. Am I not allowed to trade on here? Where's the Netherlands? Oh, here. Oh, never mind. I'm not gonna do that. Oh shit! And I also have a. I almost forgot. I also have a. It's not even on here. Let me go here. I also have a Apex account I bought last week. A 150k account, which is crazy. You don't see my stream right now, right? So I'm also gonna log in there and then try to trade that as well. And that's not a funded account, of course. It's not a funded account. It's just a challenge account, but still, can't forget that because I only have 30 days to trade. Customer sign in. Why am I not allowed to log in? Uh-huh. Market's still kind of moving higher. Well, I have no idea what my password is. So I'm gonna go passwords in the iCloud. Apex. Oh shit. You're kidding me, right? They say my password is incorrect. It's correct. Oh. Okay, I'm not allowed to sign in. Apex trading. This is weird. Oh, here. It should be here. Okay, no. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna request a password change because I'm not allowed to log in. Hopefully I did not get hacked. It's crazy. Password should not match. All right. Password changed successfully. Thank you. Hopefully I still have my 150k Apex count. Hopefully my credit card is not abused. No. All right, it's good. And then I have to log in with my TraderVate accounts. A lot of stuff. We had Apex on here. Oh shit. Cannot share this, sorry. Alright, Apex. And then my login. Still can share that. Yeah, price action is so far pretty boring. Not because it's not giving me an entry, but because it's not even really doing anything. It's just slowly going higher. Yeah, it's not the best looking price action. It's a Monday though, so. All right, so I'm here with the Apex count. You can see it on this second screen. Let me log out of all this. Yeah, all right, so here you can see it. It does say Apex second. Then this is my second Apex count. I don't know if oh yeah, I have, yeah, I had a 50k Apex before. But you can see it here. I don't know if you really can see it because it's so zoomed out, but 150k, it's fresh. Yeah. So far, nothing. Let me copy this. Okay, so I ended the recording because I just noticed I was pasting something, and now I have this pasted, but I was pasting something in, or I was trying to copy something, but it showed, do you want to paste, and then all these numbers and letters, which was my Apex password. So I don't know, like, I thought, oh, let me just cut the video right there. I noticed later, I thought, should I keep it in there? But no, like in the future, that like my password always will be that. So I don't, yeah, you never know. Still slowly pushing higher, man. I would love to see manipulation lower. But yeah, I also don't see anything in here. I don't see any sort of gap. I see a small 30-minute in here, but no, it could be it. Like this, 5 more minutes, and then we have this as a gap. Like that, I don't have to see the low all the way because we created a new structure. But in this, yeah, this is then the 30-minute gap. So in here, if we trade in that, we take some sort of liquidity, then that could be an entry for me. And then the singular gap on ES, it's basically the 5-minute. Right there. On ES, on NQ or ES, it looks clean. So we have this low, which is also 10 a.m. low. If you get a sudden drop out of nowhere, bait people into thinking, oh, we're gonna go all the way lower. We're gonna go to our drum, we're gonna go to 0. But no, just manipulation lower, taking some sort of liquidity there. And then I'm trying to catch the reversal, or just Yeah, it's just a retracement, but I'm trying to catch that. Or no, I'm trying to catch a move after retracement. Could be a long video. Could be a 2 hour and 30-minute video. I don't know how long I've been recording so far, but let me check that in here. Because I just started this recording. This one is 2 minutes. The other one is... Okay, so I ended the recording. Oh, sorry if you hear that. Oh, it's still loading, I guess. I can't really see it. Show more options. I think you can show them, see them properties. No, you can't. No. All right, so 30-minute gaps look good. Yeah. If I want to look for an entry, it's probably going to be something like this. 3 more minutes, and then the gap is going to create. Then it's 10:30. I'm looking for like a sudden drop out of nowhere, really. Like not an instant drop, but slowly going lower towards this low. Then boom, move higher. We're gonna go higher. No, we're not gonna go higher. We're gonna go lower, take those people out again. Boom. Now we're setting up for the actual move. It's not gonna be this quick, but like something like this would be very nice. ES could do that. The low that is in the gap here. That would be this low on NQ. Well, it looks closer to it. I think ES looks closer to it. But you never know what really is gonna happen with this. Could not even go there at all, of course. But if I'm looking for a trade, it probably would be something like this. And I'm looking for, what is my entry again? Some sort of equal lows taken, which is then here. Maybe we have an SMT with this low. It's then here. And in here, we should have a singular gap where we then close above. Okay, let's say it's here. Where we then close above. I'll enter with a market execution. Stop goes at the low. Trying to catch this move. It won't be an actual move like this, a 9-hour trade, but it'll be very similar or something like that. That would be beautiful. I would love to see that, but for now it's not really looking like anything. What if we create a gap here? Let's say we have a SIBI here created, we take this low. I'm not taking the trade then. Like we could have an SMT at this, but I'm looking at like, okay, where could actual stop losses be? Why would we want to have a singular gap in here? Take this low and then go higher. Like we could do that, of course, but it doesn't make sense to me at all. Like I want to have a feeling that my stop is a protected low. Of course, it's not always like that. Otherwise, I would have a 100% win rate. Just the feeling and the idea of, okay, I have my data backtested on that. This is my actual strategy. That's what I'm trading. Yeah. And I don't want to enter off of anything random taken. So remove this low. Okay, we're slowly moving lower, which is what I'd like to see. But still, as I said, I don't care about these lows. I don't care about this low. I care about these two lows, basically, which is the 30-minute gap, because we have created that in 30 seconds. So here, what I drew here, that would be very nice if that plays out. Sudden drop out of nowhere. Oh, maybe. I'll remove this. 15 seconds. There, and then 10 seconds, then we have created the gap. 3, 2, 1. All right, so, and the market opens. So I always have a timer or a alarm for when the market opens, which is always, or always, not always. It's 9% of the times it's 9:30, or it's always 9:30, but for me then 90% of the times it's 15:30, 3:30 p.m., which is right now. But because the US had the daylight time shift, they pushed the clock forward by an hour, and we're still an hour behind. So, oh, look at this drop out of nowhere. People thinking, oh, we're gonna go to, no, of course not really to zero, but we're gonna go all the way lower. Oh, we're not bullish at all. Like, I think we still want to go higher, but this is very nice, very, very nice. If you want to go higher at all, of course. So we did that the gap now. Took some sort of equal lows. Could I then take a singular gap here? No, it's not a singular gap because we also have one here, but 2 minute maybe. Yeah, I don't like to take that because if we have a closure, then the closure, let's say, is going to be here. I like to take trades like this where I would go maybe break even there and I'm trying to catch this, even though it's 1-1 minimal. I'm not thinking that, so. Okay, now we have had the manipulation. That's 1. Now I need to see a singular gap or another manipulation because this gap is just huge. And then same thing, singular gap, closure above it. That's basically it. Yeah. And a draw on liquidity, which is for me now bullish. So yeah, we're going all the way higher. Very nice push so far. We have a 30-minute inversion for value gap, which we also use as resistance or support to go higher. So we tapped into that with 9:30 candle open, which is very nice. What did it do? It didn't really take anything out of here, only this. But yeah, now it's getting a bit more interesting. Yeah. I'm so big in this. I can see myself so well on this on my side monitor, which I don't like. Put this here. Oh yeah, the Discord. All right, nice reaction to go lower, I guess. So it's already taken on the yes, but if NQ also takes it, it's fine by me. So single gap on NQ is here. It doesn't have to be tapped at all because he is already in a very nice gap if we want to go higher. It's 30 minutes. This is now the new range that we created. Low here, high here. Equilibrium. We're in a discount now. Which is very nice. Very nice. Alright, nice drop. So we did tap the 5 minute now. It's a very big drop out of nowhere. Like, yeah, out of nowhere. Like, I don't, what do we do here? What is here at the high? Like a wick, but nothing too interesting. I don't know, like 50% of this? I don't know, man. And I'll tap that, so I don't know what we want to do. Very, very aggressive. I'm not looking at all for it to turn around towards 10 here. I gotta really think, okay, this is our new range now. If you are still bullish, then this is a deep retracement. But we'll see how today's plays out. And 10:30, yeah, Trump's beginning in an hour. It's very aggressive so far. Staying patient. Beautiful. The trendline traders sometimes, or you know when sometimes people are getting stopped out. People are always getting stopped out, but like here, there's just an obvious trend line. 1 tap, 2 tap, 3 tap, boom. Yeah, boom. Towards where? Yeah, I took out this high. But then all those trendline traders are now, if you break below, like we did take the low, we close below on ES. Yeah, I don't know, it's just funny to see. You can see this pattern repeating a lot of times. Just slowly going higher, forming a trend line, and then boom, big move out of nowhere. Of course, not always, but You do see it a lot of times. Actually, we did take. Oh my. The 5 minute here. Wow, it's not too bad actually. We close above here. Wow, this honestly looks pretty good for a long. We took out the low here on NQ. And that's also in the gap. Oh, this actually doesn't look so bad. I kind of want to take this. Then we close above here. I would be too late on this. And this is very very impulsive. I don't know. I would rather wait, but it does look good though. 3-minute gap tap. Wow, it does look good. It does look really good. I'd rather wait a bit because it's just such a big move out of sudden. Like we could, it is possible, of course, that we just boom, close above and then boom, just go all the way higher again. But I'd rather wait for one more manipulation and then I'll take that. But it does look very, very good. Let's see how it plays out. If it plays out, I'm not gonna say, oh, it could have been in this. Oh, it could have made so much. Oh, I'm deciding right now I don't want to take it. So don't blame yourself in the future. And I mean by future in 10 minutes. Oh, why did I not take it? This, that. Yeah. I decide now, okay, I'm not gonna take it. The consequences, or consequences really, I'm not taking it, so there are no really consequences. But anything that's gonna happen after this, then it's fine. It's fine. It should be like that. Okay, so one more manipulation. What form of manipulation could that be? If we create a bit more lows here, so generate like, generate a bit of liquidity, then take those lows again, senior gap closing above it, then move higher. Or what I would rather want to see, because I think he has a bit more bearish, like a tiny little SMT here, that would already be a manipulation for me as well. Let's say yes takes that low, but then we do have to have a singular gap, and then that could be it. But you could still move higher. I still think it looks good for higher, but I don't want to take that right away. Still all respecting this so far. So 5-minute gap, 30-minute gap, taking liquidity inside of that gap. Does this look more bullish or bearish, this move? I'd say bullish. But like, how big is the retracement going to be? Like, we are bullish, okay, but this is definitely then a bearish retracement, right? But towards where is it gonna be? Okay, it's still moving lower. So I guess it is going for this low. I don't see it going higher instantly, of course. So far it's crazy, this move. All right, so we're not respecting this at all. It's 5-minute, 30-minute. We're still respecting it, but it doesn't really look like we are respecting it. So I guess 930 low is being hunted. First represented fair value gap, like a close below. Respect to 50%. Honestly, it's not. It's very nice. It's very nice. But yeah, waiting. Really doesn't look bad. Sibi here, we have that pissy at 5-minute. Like maybe some people are taking this short here. order block, I guess. I don't know. Man, this is IC concepts. I learned it, but it's not my model. I'm focusing on one thing, so I'm not answering on that, but I definitely could see this work. Disrespect is 5 minutes. Yeah, still in a 30 minute gap. Like now, if he closed above here, would I take that? No, because like, where's the mutation? We're gonna take a short and a long in this. Still think a lot of people are taking this though. Let me take my pills while I'm here doing nothing really so far. Right now I'm only gonna take omega 3. Good for your heart, good for your brain, good for your eyes. Good to take. Fish oil, omega 3. This one is from ESN. The dose is per day. It says 3 capsules. I'm taking 2 right now, and with 3 capsules you get 1200 milligrams of EPA and 900 milligrams of DHA. It's a very good dose. That's per 3 pills though. Recommendation I think is a total of 500 EPA and DHA, roughly around there. So I'm taking 2 per day, and it saves me a bit of the capsules. I don't think it's necessary to take 3 per day. It's an extreme dose. It's not bad, but I'm taking 2. Bro, talking about fish capsules while trading, because nothing is happening. Taking it with some water, easy. All right. Again, the market is slow. Totally disrespected that. Okay, then where do we want to go? We have to slow down, but I feel like it's stuck on my throat. Okay, so then we probably want to take 930 low. What are we then also doing? Okay, let's see then 930 low is then also this 2-hour gap, singular gap in this entire leg. Same on ES, also has this 2-hour singular gap, so that's probably where we want to go, I'm guessing. We're just not showing any sort of respect for these gaps. All right, move higher. Like, I would rather take a short now, but then again, we have to create a bit more structure. All right. Slowly moving higher. They take the high. We do have an SMT here now. Tiny little gap there. Say we do get a closure. Would that be some sort of trade for me? Not really, no. Nice SMT here, though. Maybe I'm going to be a bit more free with the Apex account. Or 50k. Solely challenge. Try to focus on the funnest of course. Yeah. See what we do. Honestly, it's not a bad trade now. 105 RR. Towards low and maybe even lower. Yeah, honestly, not too bad. I could look at it, but I think it will go very quick. And I already took out the low, so definitely not interested now. Very nice SMT. Just instant push lower. 930 low, you're coming. You're next. Very nice, very nice. And you're the order block. Or here. Yeah. Still did not take the 930 low, so I don't know what we are doing here. What's the 30-minute chart doing? Let's keep it on here. You never know. 10 more minutes. This is going to be big wick, then it's still bullish. Wicks do the damage, party tell the story. Yeah. Nice, nice, nice. I like it, I like it. All these colors on my chart. Alright, there's the low. On both. We tapped the BISI, the 2-hour one. NQ did, ES did not, but doesn't matter. I still think bro. I still think we want to go higher. But a bit more structure has to form. Yeah. I still think we want to go higher. Buy it up here. We don't really have clean highs generated in here for it to be a market maker buy model again, but still it would be a market maker buy model, but it's not really clean. Like I don't really see that clean highs. Like this is a bit more of a high risk or a high resistance market maker buy model. I don't see any reason for us to go way lower. We went all the way higher for what? Here also we went all the way lower for, yeah, then I guess this low, because that looks pretty good. This move. And then this would be market maker buy model as well. Right? Smart money reversal. Yeah, this is another market maker buy model, but deep retracement in here, and this is just a like this just look like a big market maker model, but zooming out, then probably we have something like maybe 12-hour. So smart money reversal and then deep retracement in here. Low risk buy, I guess this is going all the way higher. First stage distribution and some sort of highs here. But then do we have clean highs up top? Yeah, this high, which all-time highs on ES. You have this high and this high, which this all-time highs on NQ. I don't know. I'm convinced we want to go higher, but man, you never know. It's been such a big consolidation phase here. These are all weekly candles, it's just crazy. So you never know, man. But oh wow, look at this. So far, it's a nice move. Almost instant reaction. It's again not my entry because there's no singular gap in here. But I like this. We tapped the 2-hour gap. We took out 930 low, bought an NQ and yes. But now I'm waiting again for one last manipulation, and then look for an entry. Now it could be pretty fast. I don't know. Maybe it could be. They would trade a bit higher. Then you think, oh, the move has already happened, and then somewhere in here, that's where I would look for my entry. If we even want to go higher. Oh, beautiful so far. Looks really nice. Honestly, this is also a singular gap. Let me check in here. We had the manipulation just now. Stop loss would be huge, which is what I don't like. But honestly, maybe I could have some sort of retracement trade. Like, let's say we retrace a bit lower, then I'll take it here. If we have already then closed above. Because honestly, it doesn't look so bad. Yeah, this also doesn't look bad. What I'm saying is, okay, let's say we have closed above here with a candle. Like, this is, it's still a trade. I should take it probably. But I'm thinking a bit more greedy and thinking, okay, what if I can get a retracement trade? And then I'm taking the trade on here. Could be that the market just goes and then that original trade of 127 hours, it's not a lot, but that goes and that profit is then gone because I've not taken the trade in, but I think it looks good. Let me calculate my risk. So I'm gonna go MNQ. And then here, stop loss good at the low. Could also have my stop loss a tiny bit higher. But it doesn't really matter that much. Alright, so let's see. You can't see my screen yet, but this is now how I'm doing it. So on a risk, less than $200 per trade. How confident I am as well. 140, big stop loss. It's gonna be one contract. If we even close above, well, which we did actually. Oh shit. Oh my god. Will I take it to? Let's say enter now to still enter in 1 times 4 for contracts. I'll buy where now? Gonna market. Let me see. Yeah, I'll buy now with 4.
Order filled.
And you hear it? Oh shit, that's with the 150k. Buy.
Order filled.
Alright, I'm in. Stop goes at the low. Sell stop. Sell stop. 1 micro. Let me check if it's correct. Yes, and then on this as well.
Order filled.
And then stop here. Alright, and then on the 150k, gonna risk way more, of course, because that is a challenge. How much do I even want to risk? I don't even know. I didn't really think about that. I'm gonna do a bit more. We do 3 contracts added to that. Apex.
Order filled.
So I'm in with 7 on Apex. Sell stop. Alright. So I'm in with everything. I'm in with the fundeds. Hopefully it goes. Here. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. There. And there. Where am I going break even? Not really going break even anywhere in here. Yeah, it's TP or stop loss with this. Took out the low. Looks like a nice sweep. Almost got an instant reaction. Purge and revert. Same thing here. Hard time for me is still bullish. We tap the gap. Yeah, it looks good to me. We'll see. And you can see here at position. I don't know if you really can see. It's because it's pretty zoomed out. I don't know if I can really make it bigger. Yeah, you do see it like this, but yeah, I can't really see. I'll keep it like so. I think you could still see it, but it's very, very small. And then at the high, I'll take first and full TP here probably, or actually partial. Let me check. That'll be full TP, but if it even goes, of course, still have to wait. I think it looks very good though. It's pretty cold in here. I think I'll close my window here 1 second. I'll remove the. Where do I do that? Yeah, 1 sec. Get a blanket as well. It's cold as fuck. Alright. Nice camera so far. Oh man, so cool. Alright. Yeah, so it's gonna be like a 1.5 R. Tiny bit more. If it's gonna play out, of course. And then I'm in with I'm in with a couple contracts. Man. I'm in a couple contracts on you see it on a 150k as well. But I'm in with 4 contracts total on the fundeds. Here it's only 1.3 R, but still. Let me check how much that is. If I do 3 contracts, let's say I take 75% off, so let's say I take 2 off. Then I've had a TP of almost $400 total. And then I let one runner go, and that would be an extra, so almost 400. Otherwise total will be 300, 400, 500. Just an extra $60. Is that worth it? Eventually it will all count up, of course, but or add up, of course, but I don't know. All right. For now, I'll just be patient. This is very nice that you can see it like this. Full size. Oh, that's a bit too much. Thing is, we have Trump speaking. It's a medium impact, but Trump is Trump. Thing that I don't like is I see. Oh, is this taken? It's not taken this low. Like you have some inefficiency in here. Also liquidity there. It could just be that we are bearish that this is a retracement, of course. Do we have an SMT with this now? Oh no, we don't. But we took the low on both or high on both. We'll see. We'll see. This just looks so bullish. Like, what do we want to do lower? Already tapped the gap. I said 4-hour candle. Yeah, it still could expand bullish. Still have 3 hours for its candle close. I do feel like, okay, these are now fund accounts, so this is now actual, like, more real money. It's still demo money, of course, but this feels more like real money. But I feel like a bit more of like, okay, what if it goes and take this low? Would I then close the trade early? Normally I don't do that. And easily said, yeah, just follow your plan. Don't take your position off, but still hard to do. Easier said than done. I never use standard deviations, but it's some here and there. It's cool to see. Can we check it in this move actually? Can you? Guess this is manipulation lag. I guess. Just don't look at the P&L and you'll be fine. Yeah, use normal risk, didn't over leverage or anything, so if it's stop loss, it hits stop loss. I can take max to 10 trades in a row, 10 losses in a row, which is crazy. I don't know, like I'm in with 7 contracts on the 150k count, but how much is that? I think that's not really a lot. 7, my stop loss is almost 1%. How much drawdown do you have? Oh yeah, it's a lot. It's a lot. Ooh, we tapped the 50-minute Sibi. Ooh. Doesn't look good. But yeah, where do we want to go lower? Guess maybe just trade inside of this range. I don't see any liquidity open. Yeah. I don't see it. We did take the lows now. We did tap into this gap here. If you just disrespect this, then maybe it's better to just close the position. If you just totally disrespect this, but yeah, I don't know. Yeah, it doesn't really look bullish in this. If I get a chance, maybe I'll go break even at that. It's a low taken on both now. like I'm in a long, but I also would say short is or something for low round and see it. Taking this low but not really clean highs. I don't like it for lower as well. I think we'll just then consolidate inside of here, because I don't see anything really to the downside that's clean or open or yeah. In here, oh, we even have an SMT there. Oh my god, looks so good for higher. So go higher. Thank you. But we'll see. I won't take anything else after this. 11:30 is my kill zone, or the end of my kill zone, so I'm not gonna take anything after that. Then I'll just close the charts, take it out. In 20 minutes we have Trump speaking, but Trump has never been on my side. So I'm not gonna expect anything, of course. Could be, but could also go totally against me. It's medium, so I'm not expecting anything too crazy. But again, it's Trump. So let's see what we're doing in here. So 2 minute is disrespected in here. ES is respected so far. So that doesn't look too bad. We're right now kind of getting a reaction higher from here, this gap. I could just totally remove. Wow, look at that actually. Wow. Took out that low. We're still respecting the gap. Yeah, that doesn't look so bad. But yeah, still I'm waiting for the market to just go into the direction I want. Right now it's not looking too bad. Yeah. Oh yeah, I was calculating. Oh no, that was I did 4 contracts total. Yeah, so that would be an extra $60. If I just let it run, if I take 2 contracts off, I let it run towards here, which is 0.6 RR more. I only get $60. It doesn't really sound like a lot, but will that eventually just count up? $60 not per account, that total. So that's oh my god, is it like $16 per account? Or 16, what am I saying? $15 per account. Yeah, that's not a lot, but it's definitely not a lot. So probably I will just take it take full TP here. Like I don't think a partial is really worth it. It'll be a 1.46R on NQ, so yeah. If we just close below this now, I'm really not interested. Again, we closed above here, but that could that could just show chop. Yeah. So like this. I don't know what this is really doing. Yeah. We'll just wait. Down 129, down $30. Or what did I do? Why did I do times 4? I'm in on 5 accounts. An extra, how much would that be? So I'm in 5 accounts. Wow. 5 funds, not 4. What am I saying? Where was the closure? It was on 1054. Here. I don't like this. If it was bullish, it should have already went. Doesn't mean it's bearish, but I don't like it, man. I'm still in, just following my system, so. Yeah, not a huge fan of how this is moving. Like, of course, you want to be in the trade set, go right your way, but you gotta compensate for you gotta compensate for retracements as well, of course, and chop, and yeah. Yeah, I'm in with $140, man. If I win this trade, I should not look that not look at it that way. Almost $1,000. If I lose $700 loss, all combined over over 5 accounts, of course. But yeah, I did not set a TP yet. I'm scared I will forget to take it off. Like, let's say if I do a sell limit at the top, and this eventually goes to stop loss, my order would still be there, even though I could still, like, I could do exit here and then but I don't know. I just want to, if it goes my direction, then I'll put it on. Then, of course, I won't forget to put a TP because I can see the market going towards the direction I want to see it go to. Like, I don't know. I guess that makes more sense. Man, so far this video is 15 minutes. It will be a nice video if I catch a W, of course. If I take it loss, then, wow. Of course, that's just part of trading. All right. This is nice. 60 more minutes and then Trump is speaking. Hopefully that doesn't go totally against me. All right, so now I can see it finally go a bit towards the direction I want to see go to. Oh yeah, and then also what I wanted to calculate, I forgot again. So let's say 1 contract per account. Bro, what am I doing? I cannot take any partials, of course. I'm in with 5 contracts on 5 accounts. Can I take a partial? What if I? I think it's not really possible to take a partial because then there wouldn't be any profit on 1 account, and then no, I don't think it's really possible. So I won't take a partial actually. I could also just let it run to go for it to run to a 1 to 2R. Could be a bit more patient with that, but what if it goes and do this? What is the chance of that happening? Exactly. The market can do anything it wants, man. Oh, you would be surprised. I've seen so much price action. You will be surprised. You will be surprised. Is it more obvious for the market to go and take the high as some sort of retracement and go here? Of course, but you would be surprised. Oh my god. Now we're having a nice push higher. This should be respected. I don't want to go see it again towards this low. Can I then move my stop loss higher? I maybe could, yeah, but I don't know, man. Let's see what that would be. So I'm in with 1 contract in here, all right? 1 contract. What if I move my stop loss towards here? That would be $50. As I said, I don't want to see the market go towards here. Can I then add 1 contract? What if I add 1 contract? It'll be $100, $110. I want to risk like $100 per trade. I could probably do that, but I don't know. Yes, looks like it's a bit closer towards these lows. Kind of hesitant to add a contract here, but it's not my plan. If Trump speaking in a bit, but I think it should also be par trading. You can't trade fully off of something mechanical, I'm convinced. So experience should be in here and there. It should be used. I would say if market goes towards this low, I don't even want to be in this trade. Okay. Then can I move my stop loss towards there? Probably. Can I then add something because my risk is just way less? I could probably also do that. But I'm not too convinced. So right now I'll just keep it. I won't change anything. Still a profit would be beautiful. I'll take full TP here. Oh man, I would love to take that. 5 contracts total. Again, going to MNQ to calculate. I'm trying to be slow. I'm trying to be slow and precise with just everything I do. Because honestly, I'm still not scared, but I just want to do it right. I'm with risking $750, $15, which is then like $140 per trade, or $47 per trade, which is towards the higher end of what I want to risk because I want to risk max 200 on a trade. But then my profit target is it's like 900, yeah. So yeah, $917. That would be very nice. That would be very nice. And that's then 1 out of 2 winning days, right? How much do you need? How much profit you need per day, my funded futures? Winning days of at least $150 each. Oh wow, that I don't. Oh yeah, no, I do. A profit per 1 account. What was it again? I'm going back. Oh my. Sorry for screaming. 180, so that'll be fine. And then on Lucid, I think it's even. How much profit do you need per day? My funded futures. How much need per day? Lucid trading. You just need to be consistent. Oh wow. 8 trading days, Lucid Flex. So far it's going nice towards what I want to see as a target. Kissi's 50%. I just want to Lucid trading Flex funded stage. So far this is a beautiful movement. It should be here. Yeah, you can also see it on the small screen, but actually I don't know. I go to Lucid here on the dashboard. There's no real point of where I'm going break even, as I said already. So it's either TP or stop loss. So I'm gonna end the session in a bit. Still gonna wait until Trump is gonna speak. But then I'll put ATP here. I'll still put my stop loss there. and I'll just close the charts. I'll set alerts and then see which one gets hit first. I'm not gonna stay on the entire day or look at the charts all day and then wait for a TP or stop loss to get hit. Of course, no. That's not how it should be. Minimum profit days should be 0 out of 5. So here, or it should be 5 profit days. Minimal profit is $150. So this is also, it would also be fine. All right. Well, you know what I'm hoping for Trump to come on, to say something, to just say something, and for it to go all the way towards here that I'm late with taking my TP. I'm late with taking TP, but it goes insane. It just goes somewhere. It goes a lot higher. But wow, analysis, it's not TP yet, but analysis today was just beautiful. I stayed patient. I stayed calm. It was beautiful. For today, I think this will be a nice profit target. Maybe even here. I don't think we'll take out these highs today. I think that's something for later this week. I think that's a weekly objective. But yeah, it really looks like we're trending towards the buy setup here so far. I could take full TP there, but again, as I said, you never know. You don't know what the market is going to do, man. It could take at the high and go all the way lower. I don't want to be in that anymore. For an extra, what was it now? Oh yeah, that was what I was going to calculate. For an extra what? For an extra, oh, I don't know. It wasn't even possible. Couldn't even take partials, so. But yeah. Or I calculated that wrong, didn't I? 5 contracts. I take 3 contracts off here and then let 2 run. So I'm doing it wrong, but still I can't take any partials. This because then one account, then it wouldn't have the profit then. It would be around there. And then 2 580. Oh, that would be an extra $200. Okay, that makes more sense. But yeah, I can't take any partials. With the 150k, oh, with the 150k account, I can take a partial here. I'm in with 7 contracts, so I think I'll already set this here. I'll take 5 contracts off here, and then full TP. That would be at that high. I don't really care about challenge. That's a bit better. Yeah, I risk a bit more towards, and I didn't really risk a lot actually. I risked 1,000. I risked 7 contracts. What was that? Better safe than sorry. I'm checking so many times, but yeah, again, better safe than sorry. So risk 1,000. Yeah, 1,000. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. So risk 75%, right? Yeah, like 66%. 0.66%, sorry. Yeah, so that's not bad. All right. So Trump is 5 more minutes, and Trump is gonna come and speak. Yeah, so no place where I'm gonna go break even. So I'm gonna go and yeah, honestly, why did I said, okay, why am I not taking TP here yet? I want to see what Trump does. If you go all the way lower, I still would be in. But if you get a crazy expansion higher, I kind of wanted to look at the volume, and then if we're just trading all the way through it, then maybe I can get a bit higher TP. It's probably not the best thing to do. But I'm here at the charts now. 4 more minutes. I'm actively looking. So yeah, you know, just to be sure, you know what I can do. Let's say Trump says something and it goes all the way here. Then I'll at least have something taken off there. What was that? 24,796, 796,767. All right. So yeah. Right. Alright, 4 more minutes. Trump, please don't ruin it for me, man. You ruin it. Ruin it. Don't ruin it. Please just give me something insane. Profit target here is 24,804, so I'm just a bit shy of that. 24,796, so I'm a bit shy of that, yeah. So yeah. Yeah. Bring it to me. All right, so now I'm in a trade, so now it's not fine to do something else, but like I have a bit more freedom now. I don't really care. I have alerts. I don't have alerts. Right now I have alerts. I like to have alerts at least at TP, break even, and stop loss. Anything between like a point where I go break even, I would have something there as well, or just something that like here for example I thought, okay, once this low gets taken, I don't think we're gonna recover from that, so maybe I could set an alert at that. But I'll just keep it simple like this. And any sort of alert, you could change it towards NQ crossing, and then you could do it. Wait, what? You could set an alert, which gave you then a message. Oh yeah, here they changed that. I haven't used it for a long time now. But you could say like, oh, stop loss hit, break even hit, TP hit. Yeah, anything. So 22 more minutes. Ooh, exciting. So yeah, set my alerts. Stop loss is set, TP is set, everything is set. So I'm just waiting. Could set an alert at a timer as well, like 4:30. Once that is, like once the 40, or see, yeah, 4:30 candle opens, you can set an alarm by then, but I'll see it happen. Like probably we'll see a huge candle, even though it will be Trump speaking. Like maybe he says good afternoon, like Powell, and then we'll get something crazy. You never know. Yeah. Oh man. So I'm trying to look now on YouTube. I'm trying to look for the stream. I don't know if it's really out there. Trump is speaking, but I don't know where he'll be speaking on or at or yeah. So we're already getting a move lower. It just sucks, man. Trump, I don't know, man. I thought Trump was gonna be, once he became president, I thought, oh man, he's gonna do something good for my trading. Like we're gonna see nice moves, and but Trump, oh my god, man. But I'm looking for CNN, I think. Can't find it though. I'm not seeing anything, so maybe I can look it up. Live. They're not live. I don't know. Trump speaking. Oh, look, nice bullish candles. Trump speaking. So it's now 4:30. Trump is speaking right now. Mirror now. Mirror now. This is definitely not live. Don't get fooled by this. Just look at the viewers as well. If the viewers are just this, then and look at this. Like it looks like he's live now. Like this is today, but this is also live. Look at a different background. Oh, this is the same background. Oh, this is the same background. It's not live. 90 viewers. Oh, maybe this is the one. All right, let me check this because this has the same background.
Now been used or destroyed, and very unsuccessfully.
Look at the chat. Is this live right now?
Been able, for the most part, to
That's
shoot
most of the time already a bad sign.
Incredible technology. The
Is this
Patriots
old?
Unbelievable, and other things.
I think this is old. I don't hear anything, but I think it's old. Yeah. Trump live. 34 minutes. Oh, it's stay tuned. We will live again shortly. It's 2 minutes. This is not in English. You can see it. It's in Dutch. Alright, I'll translate it in English for you. Or maybe it doesn't. Oh yeah, here. Threateningly to NATO. Oh shit. Is that good for a market? The White House. I don't know. He's not live. Oh yeah, NBC maybe. No, also. All right, yeah. So far we're not really getting anything, which is nice. Trump's speaking right now, so you don't see any actual, of course. No, you don't really see any numbers. So right now I'm just still trying to be patient. I would already end the session here and then just wait until my alerts get hit. But I'll just wait. It's close to TP. Maybe I changed it now and it will go to stop loss instantly. And so be it. But I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Yeah. Where, man, so far? Man, I've been yapping for 1 hour and 10 minutes. This video, that's just this clip. This clip is one hour and 10 minutes. The one before this, was that? Is that this one? Oh no. This is me doing something weird.
Oh my
I
god.
saw I was already recording. This one is.
All right. Yeah. Okay. So I
37
just got
minutes.
home
Upload time, I'll even
from
say.
work 15 minutes ago.
Oh, sorry, you hear it like that. Yeah. Lol. Yeah, I'm gonna just desktop audio. We'll close it so you don't hear anything. Or no. Or can I filter? No. Properties? No. I'll be fine. So far, the market is just dead. Like, I don't know what's happening. Oh yeah, also, of course, these alerts. Oh my god, I almost forgot. It's not a huge problem. But it's nice if ES takes out this high. I'm taking full TP as well. I'm not waiting until NQ takes it, even though it probably would do it. Then we have an SMT at a moment, like could be for 10 seconds, could be for a minute, but if we have an SMT, I don't like to wait. I'll just take them full TP, and yeah. So I only have that on ES. I don't care if ES it's this low, NQ's all the way here. Like, why should I care? Like, does that ever happen? Not really, no, but still, you get the idea. So yes, if ES takes out this exact high, not this high is already taken in my eyes. So this high, once ES takes that, then I'll take full TP as well. So yeah. And honestly, this is kind of hard to do because I have lucid trading. I have my fund of futures. Then I need to log in on both. So then I need to log out. Let's say I manage my position on my phone. I need to log in TradeOvate, log into TradeOvate my fund of futures, log out, and then log in, trade ovate, lose it, which yeah, could be annoying. So I like to just try to do this all here at my desktop PC. Yeah. This is annoying. It's been consolidating for like 10 minutes now. It's annoying. But yeah, I'll just do yeah, just something to entertain myself. Like, what am I doing then? Oh, you hear it already. I'm playing some chess here and there. Nothing too that takes too much of my my focus. So yeah. Oh lol. I just won his queen. It's gonna be checkmate. Oh lol. What's this guy doing? Checkmate. Of course, once you're in a position, it's going your way. You don't like to see it retrace. So yeah, I don't like this candle. Even though the chance very likely that we will go to the high, but chance, like, you never know. You never know. We have a singular 15-minute gap here. I would love to see the mark close above this, but it's probably not going to give it to me because it would like to see me struggle, stress. No. But yeah, it would be nice if you close above, of course, but yeah. Right now, the price action is pretty boring. I could just close session and say, oh yeah, I'll see you guys again once TP gets hit. But yeah, I'd like to stay here now than just be transparent about, okay, what am I actually feeling while this trade is playing out? Like, yeah, what I just said, I can see it go against me now. Do I feel the need to do anything? No, I don't feel it. But it's annoying. You could have all the feelings in the world. You could have the feeling of oh yeah, man, I want to full port right now. I want to make all this money. You could have the feeling, of course, it's fine. But if you don't act on it, it's still fine. You could say, you would, like, if you do have the feeling, like, the chance is higher of you doing it than if you're not thinking it, of course. But if you're still not acting on it, then it's fine. Yeah, yeah. Man, I don't know, man. I'm just yapping so much because I'm talking to no one, basically. Like, you're probably watching, chilling, eating some nice snacks. Maybe even 10 years later, you're watching this 5, 10 years later. Bro, I don't know how long this will be on YouTube. I don't know how much longer YouTube will exist. I think it will exist longer than I will be on this planet, but yeah, it would be fun for me to watch eventually once well, I can already imagine it, but like, I'm 5 years older, 10 years older. Look back at this, wow, I was such a young dude. I was trading, I had this passion. I knew it was going to work out. I didn't know when though, but this was the first step towards something great. And yeah, if you believe in that, it will just happen. Like, yeah, I haven't experienced it myself. Like, I'm saying multiple times to myself a day, oh, I'm going to be making it eventually. Like, I have definitely made it then. Saying that multiple times against myself or to myself, and I'm really believing it, but I've not experienced it yet. But all the people that have experienced it are saying it, that like you should believe that you will actually get it. Yeah, and then it will happen. Yeah, I'm thinking that really, man. I've not experienced it yet, but I would love eventually to tell you the same thing, or people just in general on the same thing. So yeah, I'm still obsessed with trading even after I'm close to 3 years now of trading. After one payout, 3 years of trading, I'm still obsessed. I'm still focused. I'm still motivated. I'm still disciplined. Yeah, I'm trying to catch another payout and even more, of course. Yeah, and hopefully, God, the universe, everything just sees it, and I don't like the word rewarded. I get rewarded for it, but I get noticed. I get noticed. I'm not doing this for myself. Of course, I'm doing this for myself as well. But the ultimate goal is to do it for other people, not for just me. Eventually, I want to do it for my girlfriend now, which hopefully eventually will be my wife, and then my children, and my mother, my grandfather, grandpa, grandma, aunt, uncle, niece, nephew, my entire family, man. Brother, little brother. For my entire family, man. Really talking to myself, but it feels so real, man. Oh. And that's not the ultimate goal as well, of course, because like the more, I think maybe not the biggest goal, but a bigger goal than that is to just live in the moment and just enjoy this already. Enjoy what I already have with my family, everyone. Like I'm trying to make it better for everyone, me, my family, like all together, make it better. But I can't forget what I already have now. Like I'm so happy, honestly. What we already have now. I'm already trying to make it better, but live in the moment. Try to enjoy the process of getting blowing challenge accounts, getting funded accounts, getting payouts. Like the process of that, because I'm enjoying this. Like I'm obsessed for a reason. I know the potential that I can get out of this, or the potential, like I know what there is, like how much you can get out of this. Yeah. Oh man, enjoy the process. That's what I'm really trying to as well. I should even do it more, but here and there I try to give it a couple seconds, minutes of silence, really think about it, and then yeah, enjoy the process, man. Some deep words there while I wait for price to still chop and do nothing. Video is gonna be like, no one is gonna watch this fully. Oh my. Oh man, so boring. Sorry that the market is just so boring. Yeah, I really want to just I could just end the session now and then it probably will go. But again, I want to show my feelings, like what is happening, how this is affecting me. Right now, it's just chop. What is the chop making me do? It's making me bored. Yeah, that's what it is right now. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Man, oh, thought it was gonna go. Hey, yeah. It's gonna be a 2-hour video, man. Oh my. Oh my god. What am I thinking right now? I think this is a fake out. I think, yeah, of course, the wick is already happened a bit, but I think this is a fake out. I think people are, I don't know if people are actually doing something, but it could just have a massive expansion lower now and could just eventually stop me out, which would be crazy. But again, the market could do anything at once. But what I'd rather see is for this to be manipulation, big and lower, maybe even another one, and then have some sort of retracement in here, maybe even take this low, that would be big. Could go all the way to break even again, but I rather want to see this be a fake out and then instantly go higher again. Because it's been chopping a lot, and basically it's been chop, chop, drop. But no, I would just like to see this be a retracement and go higher again. Did we already tap a gap? 50 minutes as well. Did I say? I did say that. I would see closure above this. We did get a closure above this. You also have a 50-minute busy. A wick here all the way lower would be kind of a crazy wick. ES is still holding this as a bearish gap though, but yeah, I'd like to see this get in first. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking right now. Just right away, boom. And if it goes all the way lower to my stop loss, so be it, man. I'm not changing anything. It sucks, of course. Like, I'm up now, total $300. It's not really a lot. It sounds not really like a lot, but if it's real money, then oh, $300. Who wouldn't want to take that? And then I'll be down from plus $300 right now to minus 470, was it? Something around there. Or 700 total, actually. 700 minus $700. Yeah, that sucks, but yeah. That's trading. There's no point of me, as I said, there's no point of me going break even. There's no really a clean trial liquidity or clean highs, clean lows where I would go break even. Did we tap a 1-1 also? Like, I'm not going break even at a 1-1 again, but anymore, but yeah, no. Did not do that. Yeah, waiting patiently. Hopefully it goes instantly higher, but yeah, we'll see. Yeah, so again a bearish candle, which I don't like, but am I doing anything? No. Ha, crazy. Oh, crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Can you hear my whistle? I think you can. Yeah, I don't like this. Trump is just not going what I want to see. Or doing something that I don't want to see. Ah, oh, Trump, oh, Trump, oh, Trump. Trump, oh, Trump, oh, Trump. I don't even want to talk about my trading, to be honest. Yeah, well, 3, 4, 4 losses. Yeah, 4 losses before it actually went, and then 5. Yeah, max 2 less losses a day. That's Frenchy. It still went, but 2 losses I would end the day there prevented me of taking 2 more losses. Frenchy went, but it doesn't matter. Still going lower. I still don't like it. Still waiting. I can see it go my direction now, but I'm not convinced, of course. It could still go all the way lower like this. Again, I could just expand lower. it would suck. It would really, really suck. But am I doing anything about it? No. I've had many, many times that it goes to break even though I shouldn't go break even, or it just goes to break even. And then the trade goes all the way higher. Like then close to my, I don't know, there's something magical about my break even point. Like somewhere in here, I could just draw something random here. Like something in here, I don't know what there is. What is there? I don't know, bro. I don't know what my English is doing now, but I know there's something here, and it goes a lot of times. It goes there to just go to my break even point and then go all the way higher. Now just maybe I jinx it and it goes instantly to stop loss again. But look at that candle. Look at that. Look at that. All right, so break even point, right? All right, let's see if it goes. Boom, that's my break even. I'm now at, I'm down even a bit. No, am I? No, I'm not. But all right, break even point. Let's see what it does. Let's see what it does. We do an SMT here with the low, which is kind of crazy. Honestly, maybe, like, look at, bro, it's 11 a.m. or 12 a.m. 12 a.m. It's 12. Oh man, it's been a half hour past my kill zone. I honestly, what I'm thinking now is because we have an SMT, it's still bullish. If we close above this, maybe I'll add one contract on every account. How big would my stop loss be? As I said, there's something magical about my break-even point. It's not like it's something is actually there, but I don't know. I've seen it so many times, which is crazy. But let's see how big my stop loss would be. All right, let's see if we close above here. I'll put my stop loss at this low. I would get filled a lot higher, but I think I'll be filled somewhere here. How big? How much would I be in there with two contracts? $157, $160. That's only if you close above there. I don't know. Maybe I'll do it. Maybe I'll do it. Maybe I'll do it. So right now you have an SMT. And then here, 15-minute candle. It even closed below. Wow, that's crazy. That's crazy. Candle already closed. That's crazy. But yeah, as I said, 15-minute, we have a singular gap here. That's what I'm thinking right now. Is it going against my rules? Kinda. But like my risk would still be around the same thing. And if we take this low, I don't think we'll also go lower on NQ. And then take this and then go higher again. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, so this candle did not close above. Let's see what this next candle does. While we are holding this SMT. Yes, is it holding really a gap in here? I don't think so, actually. See, we have 5 minutes. Is 5 minute close below here? NQ, is it holding a gap? It's not actually. Oh, this doesn't look good, man. But we do have an SMT with this. It's nothing special actually, so I won't add anything. But we do have an SMT. It's not, yeah, it's not really something big, but yeah. Am I stressed? Am I thinking I will get stopped out? Honestly, I think chance of me getting stopped out now are a bit higher than it was a year before, of course. But yeah, I'm staying patient. I'm not breaking any rules. I'm waiting. Again, bearish closure. I don't like it. Crazy. Man, oh man, am I ever gonna end the session? I don't know. Oh my god. Um yeah, all right. So I explained all my emotions. It's gonna be a 2 hour clip. It's not even a clip, or it's an actual video. It's a movie. Um yeah, I'm waiting now. It's here, stop loss or TP. As I said, I know now that the market has gone back to my break even point, so it's honestly now 50-50. Yeah, I'm waiting. If I get if TP gets hit, I'll be back. If the stop loss gets hit, I'll be back. You'll see it happen in, I don't know, man. You'll see it happen in 10 seconds. I'll see it happen in I don't know how many hours. Yeah, thank you for if you're still watching, man, insane. But yeah, I'll see you in a bit. Yeah. All right, all right, all right. So for you, it's a second later. For me, it's I don't know how many hours later, like 4 or 5 hours later. Yeah, you can see eventually TP was hit, so that's nice. But look how long I was in the trade. Like I was in the trade for, this is my entry 9:53. Um, I was in the trade for 4 hours and 17 minutes or 18 minutes. I don't know where this candle really came from, but it should have been taken earlier. But wow. Yeah, I'm gonna show you the accounts. I took it on Lucid. I took it on My Fund of Futures. I took it on Apex. So a very nice W, or very nice W's taken. A lot of nice W's taken today. So Apex, and then I don't know, what was this? Is this Lucid? Is this My Fund of Futures? I think this is Lucid. Yeah. And then Apex. So right now, oh shit, what am I doing? This should be My Fund of Futures. Yeah. So, this is, look at this. I was risking $149. I got $153 STP here, which is just crazy actually. I don't know, total TP, total P now. Why does it say 247? I don't know, but it's $153, which is kind of crazy because I was risking $149. I don't know if you can see here. Is this? No, I don't know, but that's the 2015 account, which is crazy. But the rest, you can see $280 W, $239 W, $153 W, and $256 W. My Fund of Futures accounts, and then this also 246. So it's pretty nice. I guess I got fucked with the spreads on here, because that's literally like $100 difference. But Still, it's good. It's fine. I don't know why this is $153 because it's basically the same fill. Who knows? I have no idea. But the profit for today is then 250 times 5, 250 times 5, and then minus that $100. So today is a $1,150 day, which is very nice to see. Yeah, very, very nice. And then also here with Apex, I took like $1,000 risk. I got $1,500, so that's very nice as well. And then you can see the TP taken on here. Sell 2, sell 5. Why is it 5 and 2 here? Oh yeah, I have partials on here. Yeah, so that's very nice. Yeah, there's nothing really else to tell about with like the buys and stuff, because I literally was going through the entire analysis and market price section. This entire video, I don't know how long this video is. I think it's maybe close to 3 hours, which is crazy. Yeah, that was it for today. Yeah, very nice entry. I think the setup looked very clear, or very clean, both. Eventually you went all the way lower. Here I was really close to getting stopped out. Then we had an SMT. I thought like, wow, there's just no way we're gonna go all the way higher here and then not even take out the high here. Like we just totally disrespected this entire bearish price action. I don't know if my chart will load. Yeah, like the 50-minute that I showed earlier, like we totally disrespected that. After that, we had a big closure there. I thought, wow, price action is crazy. Then we had an SMT in here. I was even thinking about re-entering something and putting my stop loss below, but if I move my stop loss to this low, it doesn't really change. Like, how much does it really change? 2 contracts would have been way too much, which I didn't want to do. So stayed in 1 contract, followed all the rules, and then yeah, I have my TP somewhere here. Or I said my original TP was gonna be here, and I said, oh yeah, met with Trump. Maybe we're gonna push into that. Trump is gonna speak at like 11:30, so I thought somewhere here. So I had a bit higher, so I think like somewhere around here, and that's where I got taken off. So 1.75 RR trade for today. But yeah, very nice trade today. I didn't do anything, like my thought process while still being in the trade for 4 hours later. Yeah, it was either going to be TP or stop loss for me, because there was no point of me going, or there was no break even points for me. So it was either just TP or stop loss, and didn't change anything. It was here close to stop loss. Didn't want to take it out. Like you could say as well, like, oh my god, I got so close to stop loss. Now I'm gonna go break even once it hits the break even point. No, it's still just a very valid trading idea. If we are then still respecting this range, then the trade idea is still valid, and eventually played out very nice. It was like a trade candle, but I think this is how price should have played out. But yeah, very nice. I wasn't on the charts, of course, the entire day. After that clip ended, I just closed the charts by then. Only had the alerts on ES, NQ. Alerts got hit, and I did have the trade ovate open. I heard like a ear rape trade ovate order failed sound. I thought, oh man, I got stopped out, but no, it was TP, which is very nice. But yeah, $1,150 day today. Taking on 500 accounts total, 1150. I will be trading tomorrow again. We have medium impact news, so only AM session trading there again. Hopefully it's going to be good. Again, we'll be risking the same as I did today, like $100 to $200 per trade. Yeah, that was it for today. I don't think you've watched the entire video, but if you were, then thank you for watching. Also, if you see this now, thank you for watching. And yeah, that was the video. See you. Ciao. See you tomorrow.